Well, it's another year down and another set of happy customers saving on labor with the Wright autonomous Stander ZK behind me. This is a production mower. This is not a prototype. We're not piloting anymore. We did that 3 years ago. We now have about 100 of these in the field. And so we can do a demo anytime you want, and you can come look on your property and find out how much labor you can save. Being in production has been awesome. It's the fruit of a lot of labors with the partnership with Wright Manufacturing, with their dealers, with their channel sales, and doing that education, because this is a tough product. I'll be honest with you. We had our pricing off in the start. I'll admit it, we had it wrong. We shouldn't have tried to do it. We tried to price it monthly. We're getting rid of that. Everybody still thinks we have it, so I'm telling you right now, we got rid of it. You buy it, you own it, you can use it as much as you want. And bottom line is, it's about $10K a year for a robotic worker. If you can hire somebody for $10K a year, I want their number because I'm gonna hire them, but if you can, this is not for you. If you can't, get one of these. This autonomous Stander ZK is based on the Stander ZK, which is a workhorse commercial productive mower. It's a 72-inch deck. It has 15.5 gallons fuel. The power is provided by the HydroGear Smart Tech system. That's a drive-by-wire, which is buttery smooth, hyper-responsive controls. And it is an awesome mower to drive manually, but even better, it contains the Greenzie autonomous mowing system, which is sensors that do perception, behavior, and control. And those sensors are rock solid that see obstacles in the field. They're gonna avoid it. If it's anything in the ground plane, doesn't care if it's a garden gnome, person, dog, it'll go around it. But if it comes too close, it'll stop. One of the great things is we have crews out in the field using one mower, which creates a crew of two from a one-person crew, and they're able to pipeline activities. We also have crews with two mowers doing the work of three. I don't have to tell you that if you could start the next season with one more crew, with one or two more robotic workers, what would that do for your business? So I'm happy to say that we do have even one operator using three, and he is saving a ton of labor. I don't recommend it for everybody, but start with one.